Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about the Arctic. Europe, Asia and North America all voted on the Arctic Ocean. The shorter road from the western United States to Europe will be across this ocean. But because the Arctic Ocean is almost completely frozen, ships have had to sail through the Panama Canal and across the Atlantic. Air routes across the frozen land have been in existence for several years. And recently, the United States atomic-powered submarine Nautilus was able to navigate under the ice of the Arctic Ocean. The polar caps are the area around the North and South Pole. They cover the area from the pole outward to an imaginary circle around them, about 1,600 land miles away. At the North Pole, this area is called the Arctic Cap. At the South Pole, it is called the Antarctic Cap. The imaginary circle are called the Arctic Circle in the north and the Antarctic Cycle in the south. During the summer, the sun lights up the Arctic regions while the Antarctic is in darkness. During the winter, the opposite is true. On December 22nd, the Antarctic Cap gets the sun rays and the Arctic is in darkness. 2/3 of the Arctic Ocean is covered with pack ice that is 6 or 7 feet deep. Pack ice have been found that is 15 feet deep. This ice is always moving and it is called the ice cap or the ice floor. The summer sun melts a little of the surface of the ice cap and this helps to move the ice toward warmer water where it's broken out and finally dust. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.